Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to go into Google Meet. Google Meet is going to be also like a video conference, just like we do with Zoom. I want to practice so that we can start using Google Meet instead of using Zoom. So the way you do it is you make sure that when you go to My4ISG, you go to the Google Classroom app. Once you click on it, and this is where you see your classes. This is what you guys have been using right now to look for your assignments. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on my class, so math and science, and then you're gonna look at my message right here. Make sure you're on stream, and you're gonna see a message right here that says, "Let's learn something new. We will soon start using Google Meet instead of Zoom." So there's a link right here. All you have to do is click on that, and it's going to take you directly to where we're going to video conference. So you click there, and it's about to start. It's going to say that make sure that your microphone is on and your camera. I just turn it off for right now for the video. And all you're going to do is you're going to click join now. And then you will be part of the video conference for tomorrow.